This home is a new statement, breaking away from traditional block architecture. The architects put an innovative twist on this typology by adding elements of the old masters. This house has an elegant design, integrated layout. The yard of the house is beautiful and cool. There is a translucent glass in the yard area, so that the residents of the house can clearly see the green yard from inside the house. This house design looks sturdy, with a touch of neatly arranged bricks. You will definitely get a sense of comfort